density, which means this is the densest part of, among all the layers of the earth. Okay. So what is happening here? Just like how you have, this is called as a shear layer. We call this as the knife. Ni and Fe. Ni is nickel, Fe is iron. So these are the constituent elements which is there in the core. Okay. And the core again is divided into two different parts. The inner core and the outer core. Outer core is in which form? Liquid or solid? Outer core is liquid, inner core is solid.